So here's our 2007 Chevy 1-ton 3500 extended cab gas 4x4. Does have a salvage title. See, I don't see any damage here to the driver's door whatsoever. No damage to the back door here. Looks very nice and clean. Does have dual fuel tanks. Door's a little sticky there. I believe the latch for the top is up here. So this is a Texas truck. So it's pretty nice and clean. There's an air hose reel. There is no air compressor on board. Look here at the tires. See, this inside tire here looks brand new. This tire here isn't that great. Go around really quick, look at the other tires. Again, the inside tire, I wouldn't say it looks brand new, but there's a lot of life left there. Same thing with this one here as well. Just a lot of spare parts here in the back. There's another rim and tire up there. This does open here. Not positive if this part here opens or not, but that does. And no damage to the cab back here. Front tire looks brand new. No damage whatsoever that I can see to this fender, but you can see the fender is off a little bit. It's probably because of the front radiator support that's bent, but I don't see any damage to this fender whatsoever. You hear a little noise. That's just the fan hitting the shroud here. Push down on it, and there's no more fan rattle. 2 batteries up here. All fluids are holding. You can see the coolers look all fine. The radiator support right here is bent. Again, it's not leaking any fluids. Don't need any of the coolers. Even the bottom mounting tab there on the radiator is intact. So no coolers needed whatsoever. This tire here looks brand new. So we'll need a fender. We have a fender that's being included in the sale of this auction. So we're going to be giving you this fender. We're giving you a new hood. We're giving you the radiator support and a pair of headlights. So the only things that we can see that you're going to need, you know, is maybe a bumper bracket here. I guess you could bend it back if you'd like, but you need a bumper and a grill. There is a power inverter there. See, it's got 155,331 miles. Take it out for a little drive. My battery's dying, so this test drive might be cut short. And see, there's no idiot lights on the dash whatsoever except for the seat belt. Voltage, everything's reading correctly. Again, it's not leaking any fluids whatsoever. Again, that's just telling me to put my seatbelt on there. It is 4x4 on the floor. We do only have one set of keys for it. Cruise control here on the steering wheel. The windshield, as you can see, it does have some cracks in it. Four by four does work. We'll go ahead and engage it here. I shouldn't 'Heat works great. AC does work. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email us. I'm not sure what this is for, but it's there. Yes. Radio works fine. Of course, your heater controls and a cell phone holder. Can put it down here in manual. There's manual 2, 3, 4. I'm going ahead, I'll put it in 4-wheel drive. You can see the 4-wheel drive lights on. Go ahead and take it back out, put it in 2. Go ahead and hop out here. Show you that there is no damage up underneath. No fluids leaking. I don't see any damage. That the frame itself is bent. Just this bracket that holds the radiator support on, I see, is a little bent. Well, that'll have to be hammered back a little. In other words, you know, this radiator support here is all one piece. You know, looks like you might need a horn if you want a horn. If you have any questions, always feel free to email. Thank you.